This tiny set of pedal covers claims to transform your Chevrolet Captiva's driving experience, but does it really deliver? Let's find out. We're looking at these aftermarket pedal plates designed specifically for the Chevrolet Captiva, focusing on the fuel, brake, and accelerator pedals. The main selling point here is enhancing the style and appearance of your vehicle's interior, but more importantly, it promises improved safety. The design features a raised rubber pattern, which is supposed to provide superior traction. The idea is that this increased friction between your shoes and the pedals will effectively prevent slipping, especially in wet conditions or during spirited driving. This is a crucial aspect for any car accessory, as safety should always come first. The manufacturer emphasizes that this anti-slip design ensures safer driving and enhances the overall driving experience, making journeys both safer and more enjoyable. Installation is presented as a breeze, with no drilling or welding required. The process involves simply removing the original pedal covers and snapping the new ones into place. It's described as a top-to-bottom snap-in installation, and you're done once the new pedal is fully seated in its groove. This ease of installation is definitely a big plus for DIY enthusiasts or anyone who wants a quick upgrade without hassle. Now, let's talk about performance. While we haven't personally driven with these installed, the concept of a raised rubber grip on pedals is sound. Many performance vehicles come with similar setups from the factory. The added surface area and texture should indeed offer better grip than smooth plastic or rubber. For a vehicle like the Captiva, which might be used for family trips or even light off-roading, having that extra security underfoot can be very reassuring. The aesthetic improvement is also worth noting. These pedal covers can give the interior a sportier, more finished look. It's a small detail, but for those who care about the finer points of their car's interior, it can make a noticeable difference. The company also highlights their after-sales service, urging customers to ensure correct fitment before purchase and promising prompt resolution of any issues. This commitment to customer satisfaction is always a good sign. So the verdict. These Chevrolet Captiva pedal covers seem like a promising upgrade. They offer a blend of enhanced style and, more importantly, improved safety through better grip. The easy installation makes them an accessible modification for many Captiva owners looking to add a touch of sportiness and peace of mind to their driving.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.